Hey guys, it's Illinik here, back with part 4 of my unboxing extravaganza. And today, I have for you the Big Bang Pegasis DX set. Now let's unbox this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So here we have the new black Takara Tomy Attack Stadium. This replaces the clear version. Looks really nice. Now we have here is the Bay launcher, and it's the white. The set is going to be silver, and it has this type of silverish gray. We have the different parts it comes with, and of course, Big Bang Pegasus. Take out this. And here we have the instruction manual, Bay Point card, and the stadium blockade. So it doesn't hit you in the face or anything if it pops out. Spin it around. And here we have the 3-segment launcher grip. Awesomeness. This is also the same type of gray, not really metallic, but this type of gray, silverish color. That's all we have for there, and I'll actually open them. Now, let's open this stuff. So here is the 3-segment launcher grip. Very cool. Here is the awesome black stadium. Awesomeness. Put this trash off to the side. Here's the instruction manual. Okay. Here is the Bay Point card. Wow, I thought it'd be just a piece of paper, but it's actually like plastic. It's actually really awesome. That's cool. Here is the Big Bang Pegasus sticker sheet. These are actually really awesome stickers. I'd actually say better than the ones that came in the starter set. And here we have pretty much just the different pieces of the blockade that you can put together. These are really cool. I didn't know it actually come with so many, like tons of them. Now let's open this stuff. Here is the Bay launcher. Wow, it's actually really awesome. Pretty long too. It's really cool. Here is translucent green, '85 track. And here is extreme flat. Again, the type of translucent green. Here is 105. This is kind of translucent. You can kind of see through it. Not really though. And here we have the same type of weird non-see-through but see-through RF. Here is the Beyblade with the oddly printed face. For some reason they didn't print it in the starter set, but they print it here with the white PC frame. It's very shiny, really shiny. Here is the, again, weirdly translucent tool. And it's pearl. And then here is the normal final drive. So, this has been Ilona here, back with another awesome video. Have fun and bay away.